It's time for you to be more confident when ordering food in English. Whether you're at a restaurant or sitting with your laptop in a cozy cafe, or you want to order a takeaway. Today, I'll teach you some key English phrases when ordering food, even if you're just starting to learn. You'll learn how to ask for a table, read the menu, ask questions about food, place an order, and even ask for the bill. Using natural, polite English that sounds just like a native speaker. These phrases are simple and easy to remember. You can follow along, repeat after me, and start using them in your real life. Welcome back to English with Lucia. That's me. Now, let's start learning about ordering food together. Asking for a table. So, you're walking into a restaurant. Maybe it's a little busy. Maybe you're a bit nervous. What do you say? The first thing the staff will usually ask you is, "Hi, how many people?" This means how many people are eating with you today. Are you coming alone? Are you coming with a boyfriend or a girlfriend? The answer should be short, polite, and clear. For example, table for two, please. Just me, please. The phrase table for and then a number, like table for four, is a very common thing to hear. You can say a table for two, please, or a table for four, or just for me, if you're alone. And always add please. This sounds more polite and friendly. Now, if you want a specific seat, you can ask, can we sit outside? Maybe the weather is nice. Do you have a table near the window? Maybe you want to see the view. These requests are very normal and polite. Just make sure to say them with a smile. Okay, next, asking for the menu. Now, you're sitting down. Sometimes the menu is on the table. Sometimes it's not. For example, you can say, "Hi, can I see the menu, please?" This is a simple way to begin. Can I see? This is much more polite than give me the menu. And again, always end with please. Like, can I see the menu, please? In touristy places, they may have many different menus in many different languages. If you don't understand the local language, you can ask, do you have the English menu? That helps a lot when you're not sure what you're reading. If the menu is too big or you don't know what's good, you can ask, what do you recommend? This shows you're not very familiar with the food and you're open to suggestions. And usually the staff love telling you about their favorite items and the most popular food on the menu. So don't be afraid to ask. All right, asking questions about food. If you have a special diet or you just want to know more about the food on the menu, it's okay to ask questions. This is very normal. You can say, what's in a chicken curry? Maybe you have allergies or you're just curious. Is it spicy? If you don't like spicy food, this is an important one to know. Does this have meat? I'm vegetarian. This is important to know, especially if you're not a meat eater and you don't want to get a random piece of chicken or beef on your plate. And if you want to sound really polite, you can start with, excuse me. So for example, excuse me, what is the soup of the day? This sounds friendly and it's very respectful to the staff. Next, ordering food. Now you're ready to order, and this is the main event. The most natural way to order is, for example, may I have the grilled chicken, please? Or, I'd like a bottle of water, please. Let's break that down. I'll have and I'd like are both polite and common. They're softer than I want, which sounds a little bit too direct. If you need something changed, like for example, with no cheese, you can say, may I have this without the cheese, please? The word without is very handy for asking what you don't want in the dish. You can also say, no milk, please, or can I get that with extra mushrooms? If you're sharing food, you can say, we're sharing the pizza, or let's get a large fries to share. Okay, next, asking for drinks. Can I get an orange juice, please? Just water, please. You can also ask, do you have coffee? Or do you have any fresh juices? And if you want to drink later, you can also say, I'll have a coffee after the meal. This tells the waiter to bring it later and not now. If you don't want anything at all, you can say, no drinks for now, please. Also, it's totally okay to say no. Just remember to be polite. No, thank you. Understanding the waiter. It's not just about what you say, it's also about whether the waiting staff can understand you too. So let's look at some common phrases. So the waiter might say, "Would you like anything else?" And this means, do you want to add more food and drinks? No, that's all, thank you. This is a polite way to say, you don't need any more. Choking on my own saliva. So elegant. The waiter might say, "Is everything okay with your meal?" This is just small talk. So the waiter is checking whether or not you're happy with your meal. You could say, "Yes, it's delicious, thank you." Or if something's wrong, you could say, for example, "Actually, it's a hot one. I ordered a cold one. Thank you." The waiter might ask you, "Do you want your water still or sparkling?" Still, please. Still means no bubbles, and sparkling means with bubbles. Okay, so now you're full and satisfied and ready to go. Now is the time to pay, of course. In the UK, we say, "Can I have the bill, please?" In the US, some might say, "May I have the check, please?" So both are correct. Just make sure that you use the correct one for the correct country. If you're with friends and you want to pay separately, you can say, "Can we pay separately, please?" So each person pays separately for their own food. We'll split the bill. So that means the bill is cut in half for each person. And if you want to treat your friend, you could say, "It's my treat." So you're treating your friend to the meal. You can also ask, "May I pay by card?" Most places accept card, but it's still good to ask. Sometimes you don't want to sit down in a restaurant. You just want to take your food home to the office. Here are a few phrases that you can say when you're ordering a takeaway. "Can I get one burger to go? One large fries and an extra Coke, please? Can I get extra cheese?" To go means to take away. In the UK, you can also say take away instead of to go. At the drive-thru, they'll usually ask something like, "Hi, can I take your order?" "Yes, I'd like a number 4 with no pickles, please." That means you would like a number 4 combo with no pickles, for example. I don't understand why you would do that. Pickles are absolutely delicious. Here are a few extra phrases for more confident learners. A service charge is included. In some countries, a service charge is included. In other countries, it might not be. Can I pay by card? This one is very useful, especially if you don't have any cash on you. Can I get this to go? If you're at a restaurant and you're now full, you can ask the restaurant if you can take your food home. Do you have any vegan options? Use this if you avoid all animal products, not just meat. Do you serve alcohol? Some restaurants might not have beer or liquor, so it's always good to ask before sitting down if you want to drink alcohol. You might get some weird looks if you're about to order breakfast. Now you're ready to order food in English like a pro and sound super confident while doing it. Which phrase will you use first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, you can book one-on-one private English classes with me on my website at englishwithlucia.com. Here we can practice real-life conversations with feedback just for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. And as they say in French, bon appétit!